First of all, visit PDFelement's official website and purchase a 1-year or perpetual license. Be sure to pay attention to the OS options here as well. The version of PDFelement you download will have to correspond to the license you purchased. When the purchasing process is complete, a confirmation email from PDFelement will be sent to your email address. You'll now see your Wondershare ID, which can be used to activate PDFelement automatically. Meanwhile, click here and reset your password so that you can log in to activate PDFelement. You also can download the corresponding version of PDFelement by clicking the download link in the email you received. For Windows users, when the installation process is complete, launch the program. In the Welcome screen, click Login and input your Wondershare ID and password. After logging in, your account and license information will be displayed in the login window. Click the Open File button on the Home window, or drag and drop the PDF into the program's interface window to open it. If your PDF file is protected with an open password, then you need to enter the correct open password to view it in PDFelement or any other tool. You may notice that some files cannot be printed even though you have successfully opened it. It is because they are also protected with a permission password, just like this file here. To enable printing and editing, you should unlock the PDF file with a correct permission password first. Click the Enable Editing button as suggested, or go to the Protect tab and select Set Password to enter the permission password. After unlocking the PDF file, go to the File menu and select Print and set the print settings according to your requirements. Click on this button to show more setting options. You can choose to print with comments or not, print in color, or print a specific range of pages, etc. If you click on the printer properties, you can set the printing orientation, page order, page per sheet, and other advanced settings. Drag or drop a PDF form to upload it into PDFelement to start. If the file is a scanned one, you can only extract data based on selection. Go to the Form tab and click the data extraction icon in the More Tools drop-down list. There is only one option available here. Hit Apply, then create the framing areas to which you want PDFelement to perform OCR. The program will extract the data from these fields into a spreadsheet. Change the language if needed. You can also rename the selected fields so that you can identify them in the future. When you're done, click Apply. Then choose a folder to save your CSV file. After the extraction completes, the saving folder will automatically pop up. Look, all the data from the selected fields are now extracted. You can easily map the data and the field names one-to-one. If the file you open is with fillable form fields, you can try the other option. Select the data extraction icon and choose to extract data from form fields in PDF. Then hit Apply. Save the CSV file to your target folder and open it to check the result. You can see that you've got all you want through some simple clicks. First, click on Create PDF. The software will open up a pop-up window for you to browse the file, or drag and drop your file onto the interface to open it as PDF. Once the file is opened, the program will suggest you use the OCR function. Click on Perform OCR to unlock the text from the image. Make sure you choose the right recognition language, then click Apply. Your text is now selectable and editable. If you wish to read the text without distraction, you can go to the Convert tab and convert the file to Word or text. Start by opening a PDF file on the Home menu. If the document is protected by an open password, you must enter the correct password to open it. The fact is that no PDF editor can crack an open password. If a notice bar appears and suggests that you enable editing, it means that the document is also protected by a permission password. hit the Enable Editing button as suggested, input the password, and click OK. Now you can copy the text and paste it anywhere else. What if I want to copy the text without knowing the permission password? In this case, use the snapshot and the OCR function to achieve our goal. Navigate to the Tool tab and click on the camera icon here. Drag to draw an area on the text you want and save the snapshot to your local folder. Now go back to the home screen and click the Create PDF button to convert the snapshot you have just saved to a scanned PDF. Then perform OCR using the default settings. In this way, you can freely select the text and copy it. Start by opening a PDF file using the Quick Start option on the welcome screen. Click the Selection tool for Text and Images icon and select the text that you want to copy. Right-click and choose Copy Text or use the Ctrl+C shortcut on your keyboard. Then paste the text into a Word document or a text file. First, launch PDFelement and click Open Files to open the file, or you can drag and drop instead to open it quickly. A message at the top will guide you. Hit Perform OCR and a pop-up window will appear. Select searchable text in image and the right language for your content, then hit OK. After you have finished OCR, you can search for words. Hit the search icon on the left side toolbar to show the search panel. You can choose Match Case or Match Whole Word for your different search needs. Here, I would like to search for the word mountain, so I type it in the box and hit the magnifier icon. All the results are now listed here. As you can see, all the searched words are highlighted, and you can click each result to find the specific word and sentence quickly and easily. Launch PDFelement first. Click the Open Files button to browse and select the password-protected PDF file, or you can drag and drop the password-protected PDF in the program window directly. If your PDF document has the permission password restriction only, you can read it without any hassle. If your PDF document is protected with the open password restriction, you will need to type the password into the dialog box to open the PDF. After opening the password-protected PDF file in PDFelement, you can remove the password as well if you want by clicking the Set Password button under the Protect tab. Type the permission password in the input box and click on OK. In the pop-up window, uncheck the passwords and save your settings. Open PDFelement and click on the Open Files button on the home screen. There, you can select a PDF file to open it. Click the To Excel button in the Convert menu to start the conversion. The system will immediately display a File Explorer window. You can select a folder you want to save the converted file to. Click Save. After the conversion is done, you can open the Excel file directly. See, the layout of this file looks just the same as the original. First, open a Word document. I'm going to head to the Insert menu. Click the Object button in the top right-hand corner. Pick Adobe Acrobat Document. If you want to display the icon, then select Display as Icon. If you leave the option unchecked, the first page of the PDF will be displayed. I'm going to select it, and then click OK to browse and choose the PDF file you want to insert. Close the preview of the PDF file. Now you can see the PDF file has already been inserted and displayed as an icon. If you want to open it, just double-click on the PDF icon. If you want to edit the PDF before or after inserting it, I'd like to introduce a powerful PDF editing tool to you, PDFelement. This program has many tools to help you conveniently edit your PDF files. We can easily edit text, change font size and font color, or alter images as needed. We can also annotate the files with notes, highlights, or shapes, and convert PDFs to multiple other formats. First, click the Open Files button on the Welcome screen to browse your local folders and select a PDF file. Or you can drag and drop the file onto the program interface to open it quickly. Navigate to the Convert tab and find the Conversion Settings icon. In the PDF to Image section, make sure this option is selected. Then hit Apply. Now you can click on To Image to save it to your local system. After conversion, open the saving location and check the image.